Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Riya Sharma.
My name is Supriya Pramanik.
My name is Nandini. My name is Bhavya.
We would like to thank you to your given your precious time in our presentation. As you can see on the screen, today our topic is homophobia rising concern in our society. So let's start.
Next slide.
Next slide.
Homophobia. What is homophobia? Homophobia means is a fear, hatred, discomfort, or mistrust of people who are homosexual. We know homophobia. Another name is homonegativism. Homophobia take the form insult, discrimination, and even include violence. Homophobia is observable in critical and hostile every behavior such as discrimination and violence on the basis of sexual orientation that are non-heterosexual. Next slide. Point to understand. To know more about homophobia in our society, we don't give so much importance to homosexual person. We all have equal rights, but homosexual people do not have equal right. They are also having right to get their educations and jobs and equal facilities. They face discrimination because of their sexual orientation. Next slide.
Cause and why to choose this topic. First, we will understand cause. Why we always see homophobia as a negative side. Why we can't see it as a positive side. Here we are going to give you an example of a family where a son was a homosexual person. He did not reveal his truth because of fear of society and for parents' respect. Then the truth was revealed to the girl he got married. The girl got shocked and it was almost like the girl life was spoiled. So it was the cause why we have choose this topic. So we have chosen this topic because we want a homosexual person should tell their problem to his family or society without any fear because they have also rights. Next slide please. So now we are going to tell you our process. Related to this topic, we conducted a survey during our school premises in which we asked variety of questions from unknown person near our school, which was fabulous experience for us also. The data we collected from our survey that we are going to show you now. Next slide please.
So here you can see our question. Do you think homosexuality is acceptable? So overall all the people said yes, and in gender wise we can see that mostly male are said no and female is said yes as compared to male. Next slide. Do you believe that homosexuality people face discrimination in our society? Overall we can see mostly people said yes, and gender wise we can see male are said yes and female are also saying yes. Next slide. Our third question is, have you ever witnessed someone being harassed or bullied because of their sexual orientation? Overall we can see mostly has said no, and in gender wise also male and female both are said no. Next slide. How comfortable you feel when you are around homosexual person? Overall everyone is comfortable, and in gender wise female are more comfortable as men. Next slide.
You can see question number 5. Would you support a law that the prohibiting discrimination based on sexual orientation? Here you can see overall has many people has say yes, and gender wise has female person has say highest yes. Next slide please. Should school provided education about LGBTQ plus issue? Here you can see overall many people has say, and gender wise male and female has same most Mostly people has say, and male has say the lower. Yes. Please.
Lesser.
Less.
Lesser male, lesser female. Not lower.
Do you think that they should get equal rights in the every field? Overall, see, you can see many people has say yes, and gender wise you can see female has most people has say, and male has lower has say compared to the female. Next slide.
In question number 8, we see, do you think homosexuality is a problem in our society? Overall, we can see no. The answer is no. But yes, or also in higher. In gender wise, we can see many female are said no. But in male, we can see yes are the most answer. Next slide, please. In question number 9, is homophobia a sin? Overall, we can see it is not a sin. Many people answered no, it is not a sin. In gender wise, we can see that in female are also said no, it is not a sin. Next slide, please. In question number 10, is your community supportive for LGBTQ? Many people are said no, their community are not supportive for LGBTQ, but many people are also said yes, their community supportive for LGBTQ. Question number 12, will homophobia affect to economic growth? In overall, we can see that most people answer no, it cannot affect economic growth. In gender wise, we can see female answer no, it cannot be affect economic growth. Next slide.
You can see in question number 13. The question is asking, do you think homophobia is a problem in our community? In overall, you can see mostly have people said no. But in gender wise also, we can see that male and female has also provided answer no. Next slide, please. In 14 number question, you can see we have asked the people that how much rate will you provide to homosexuality. Like we usually give to rate the things we buy. So we ask the rate about homosexuality from the other person. So mostly have people provided 8 of 10. But in male we will see mostly have provided 0 to 3. And in female we will see that female has provided 8 to 10 as compared to men. Next slide. Lastly, we asked them, do you like our survey? And they was very appreciated. They said yes, they like our survey very much. Next slide, please.
Here conclusion. Overall, from the data, we understood that some people are accepting homosexual people, but many people did not want to talk about them because they feel shame. Lastly, we want that government should make some laws for them and people should behave like normal front of homosexual people. Next slide, please. Any questions?
Yes. Class. Any question?
If any question, you can ask freely.
The homosexual person, do they have equal rights?
In some fields, but in some field not.
Please explain me briefly.
Means some people used to give rights, but some people do not used to give rights. They are not getting equal rights in getting jobs opportunity, in getting education. They used to get blamed by their genders.
So what is the reason why this happens with them?
Mentality, because of since they born, they used to their parents tell that they are not that type of person. That's why that was the mentality.
So how you will you want to help them? how you can bring change?
To make some laws for them.
By raising hands for them.
But making laws, do you think that only this would be helpful and can bring a change?
No, only making laws we can't. By making laws only we can't change that
For an
mentality.
example, suppose a new student came to your class and that girl is homosexual. So when the other student they will get to know about it, they will laugh on her. है ना?
Yes.
So how you will help to that friend? How you will help to that?
By explaining them that it is not a kind of problem that you are
Whom will
thinking.
explain
To the students
to the
who are blaming
to
them,
your friends.
Yes.
To them you will explain. What you will explain to them?
we will explain that God has provided them that kind of things. You are not the God, so
do
you will
think
not
anything
blame.
is wrong there? If means the God has made them like that,
No, there is no wrong.
there is anything
There is
wrong?
no sin. No, not
There is
at all.
not. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have one question. Are heterosexual people normal or homosexual people are normal?
Both.
Both are normal?
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you. Next slide.
Wait for it.